DPF and SCR delete kit installation in Mercedes truck engine. Remove the plastic covers in the cabin. Connect the power supply to the emulator. Solder red wire to VCC plus 24 volts. After ignition, brown wire to ground. Locate the Z4X1 or Z7X1 plug. Locate the two white and blue twisted exhaust con wires and solder the corresponding colored wires from the emulator harness. Locate the two yellow and blue twisted engine con wires and solder the corresponding colored wires from the emulator harness. A properly connected device will have one LED light lit constantly and two LEDs flashing.